Okay, good morning. Quick little video just to show you how I'm now cleaning the wheels on these locos, and it really is quite amazingly good. It's these little tips, which hopefully you can see there. I was given them by Phil. You can get them on Amazon and various other things for not a lot of money, about £3 or £4 for a few hundred. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dip that in some IPA. Here we are, some IPA, and then we'll just make the loco run. And you can see how much dirt it's pulling off that one wheel. See, it's black, and then just rub it onto the toilet tissue. Actually is what I'm using. Dip it in again. You can see how badly that's that wheel clean. Just repeat it, dip it and clean it. What you've got to be careful about is not getting so much IPA on that it runs down in. So as you can see, that is now coming up nice and clean. Polishing off the IPA, nice and clean. What I'll do is I'll turn the loco around, just because it makes it easier getting into it now. And I'll do the same, these back wheels. They seem to be a bit dirtier, the back wheels, than the front ones. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully you can also hear how it's running much faster on the clean wheels. Nice and clean. All of them, as you can see, nice and clean now, and running so much better than it was before. So I think that's what you would call a success. All I'm going to do now is put a little bit of oil, which is Inox MX5 PTFE lubricant. Just need to get my probes sitting there on the wheels. And as you can see, all running nicely, and we just check across the different wheels. Running much better than it was before. Really simple, really easy. Highly recommended by me that you get some of these from Amazon. There you go. Really clever little tools, or you can get them from the shop, I suppose, and the chemists and so on and such like. but very, very good.